Welcome to the Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and use the Ronin Bridge safely and efficiently. The Ronin Bridge is a critical component of the Axie Infinity ecosystem, allowing users to transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. First, let's start with the basics. The Ronin Bridge is a cross-chain bridge that enables the transfer of assets, including Axie Infinity tokens and other digital assets, between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. This bridge is essential for players who want to participate in the Axie Infinity game, as it allows them to move their assets between the two blockchains. To use the Ronin Bridge, you will need to have a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser. MetaMask is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum-based assets. Once you have MetaMask installed, you can proceed to the Ronin Bridge website and connect your wallet. The next step is to deposit your assets into the Ronin Bridge. To do this, you will need to select the asset you want to deposit and enter the amount you want to transfer. The Ronin Bridge will then generate a deposit address, which you can use to send your assets from your MetaMask wallet. After depositing your assets, you will need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain. This may take several minutes, depending on the network congestion and the gas fees you paid. Once the transaction is confirmed, your assets will be locked on the Ethereum blockchain, and you will receive an equivalent amount of assets on the Ronin blockchain. To withdraw your assets from the Ronin Bridge, you will need to follow a similar process. You will need to select the asset you want to withdraw and enter the amount you want to transfer. The Ronin Bridge will then generate a withdrawal address, which you can use to send your assets from the Ronin blockchain to your MetaMask wallet. It is essential to note that the Ronin Bridge has some limitations and risks. The bridge is still a relatively new technology, and there have been instances of hacks and exploits in the past. Therefore, it is crucial to use the Ronin Bridge with caution and to follow best practices, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your wallet and browser up to date. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge is a powerful tool that allows users to transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can use the Ronin Bridge safely and efficiently. Remember to always use caution and to follow best practices when using the Ronin Bridge, and you will be able to enjoy the benefits of the Axie Infinity ecosystem.